Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: NET SDK and Visual Studio with the ASB, NET workload. Once installed, create a new ASB, NET Core web app using MVC or Razor Pages template so routing, controllers, and views scaffold. Initialize Git immediately, add a sensible Git ignore and run .NET restore to fetch packages. Make sure to run .NET run to observe the default landing page. This verifies the runtime, project file, and port settings before moving into coding. Now you build the application core, design your domain models and DB context, and set a connection string for EF core migrations. Once done, scaffold controllers and views or create API endpoints and register services with dependency injection so components remain testable and decoupled. Configure the middleware pipeline in program. CS, static files, routing, authorization, and error handling. Make sure to add identity or another auth system early so routes and services respect user context as you develop features. To finish, run EF migrations and seed essential data, then verify full CRUD flows under a realistic user account. Configure app settings for dev, staging, and production, move secrets to secure stores, and enable structured logging. Publish using IIS, Azure App Service, or Docker, and validate HTTPS, CORS, and environment variables. If something breaks, check the logs and validate the connection string and migrations first. Often a migration mismatch or wrong end setting is the root cause, so fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.